enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into the epic return of SpaceX Crew-8 astronauts. Buckle up, because this is one stellar journey you won't want to miss. Just last week, the Crew-8 astronauts made their triumphant return to Earth after 8 months aboard the International Space Station. These brave adventurers have been living and working 250 miles above our heads, conducting groundbreaking research and making history every single day. The landing went well, and everything appeared to be normal. However, shortly thereafter, NASA announced that all 4 Crew-8 astronauts, NASA's Matthew Dominic, Michael Barat and Jeanette Epps, and Alexander Grebenkin of Russia's space agency Roscosmos, were taken to Ascension Sacred Heart Pensacola, a hospital in Florida, for evaluation. This was done out of an abundance of caution, agency officials said in a post-Splashdown news conference. NASA gave us some good news in another update on Saturday, August 26. The 4th astronaut was released from the hospital that day and returned to JSC. The crew member is in good health and will resume normal post-flight reconditioning with other crew members, stated the update, which agency officials said, in an emailed statement, would be the final one on this matter. NASA has not identified the astronaut or the issue that led to the hospital stay, and it will not do so in the future. To protect the crew members' medical privacy, specific details on the individual's condition and identity will not be shared, agency officials wrote in Saturday's blog post. Crew-8 lasted longer than a typical ISS stint, which is about 6 months, but other astronauts have lived away from their home planet for more extended periods. For example, NASA's Frank Rubio and cosmonauts Sergei Prokopyev and Dmitry Pedalin spent 371 days aboard the orbiting lab recently after their Soyuz spacecraft sprang a leak in orbit, and they had to wait for a new ride home. Russia's Valery Polyakov holds the all-time record for the longest continuous space stay, 437 days, set aboard the Soviet-Russian Mir space station in 1994-95. But all good things must come to an end, and their return journey was nothing short of spectacular. As they re-entered Earth's atmosphere, the Crew Dragon faced temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun. Yet, thanks to SpaceX's cutting-edge heat shield technology, they were kept safe and sound. Splashdown occurred in the Atlantic Ocean near Florida, a perfect bullseye landing. The recovery teams were on standby, ready to bring our heroes back home. And let me tell you, seeing those parachutes deploy and the spacecraft gently hit the water was a sight to behold. It was a moment of triumph, a testament to human ingenuity and the unbreakable spirit of exploration. After a brief medical check and some well-deserved rest, the astronauts were reunited with their families. You could see the joy, the relief, and the pride in their eyes. They had just completed a mission that not only pushed the boundaries of science but also inspired millions around the world. So what's next for these intrepid spacefarers? Well, they're already gearing up for their next adventures, and who knows where their journey will take them. One thing's for sure though, the future of space exploration is brighter than ever. Thank you for joining me on this epic journey of SpaceX Crew-8's return. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting space content. Until next time, keep looking up and dreaming big. Stay curious, my friends.